What matters to me is that the state brought charges, a trial was conducted, evidence was heard, testimony received, the jury deliberated, they reached a verdict. And I have to respect that verdict as well. There's nothing more that's going to happen here other than a sentence for you, Mr. Stewart, and a sentence for you, Mr. Simpson, based on the evidence that occurred in this case. I'm not here to try and cause any retribution or any payback for anything else. I want that to be perfectly clear to everyone. Because if I did, then I wouldn't be doing my job as a judge who presides over a courtroom in this jurisdiction. Okay. The problem is that I can't ignore that the behavior at the time on September 13th was reckless. It disregarded the law. The law was broken. Force was used. Guns were used, or at least a gun was used. There was another gun there. The potential for harm was great. You're fortunate nothing more happened. Property was stolen. The jury convicted you, and now I'll sentence you. Okay. All right. For Mr. Simpson. All right, Mr. Simpson, in addition to the $25 administrative assessment and the $150 DNA fee, I'm going to sentence you as follows. That's 6. Count 1, conspiracy to commit a crime, 1 year in the county jail. Count 2, conspiracy to commit kidnapping, a minimum term of 12 months, max term of 48 months in the Nevada Department of Corrections. Count 2 to run concurrent to count 1. Count 3, conspiracy to commit robbery, a minimum term of 12 months, max term of 48 months in the Nevada Department of Corrections. Count 3 to run concurrent to count 2. Count 4, burglary while in possession of a deadly weapon, a minimum term of 26 months, a maximum term of 120 months in the Nevada Department of Corrections. Count 4 to run concurrent to count 3. Count 5, the first-degree kidnapping with use of a deadly weapon, a fixed term of 15 years, parole eligibility beginning after 5 years, with a consecutive 12 to 72. That'll run concurrent to count 4. Count 6, first-degree kidnapping with use of a deadly weapon, a fixed term of 15 years with parole eligibility beginning after 5 years, with a consecutive 12 to 72. That'll run concurrent to count 5. Robbery with use of a deadly weapon, a minimum term of 60 months, a maximum term of 180 months in the Nevada Department of Corrections, with a consecutive 12 to 72, and again the enhancement because of the increased harm that the gun posed. Count 7 will run concurrent to count 6. Count 8, robbery with use of a deadly weapon, a minimum term of 60 months, a max term of 180 months in the Nevada Department of Corrections, with a consecutive 12 to 72. That'll be concurrent to count 7. The assault with a deadly weapon, a minimum term of 18 months, a max term of 72 months in the Nevada Department of Corrections. That'll run consecutive to count 8. Count 10, minimum term of 18 months, a maximum term of 72 months in the Nevada Department of Corrections. Count 10 will run consecutive to count 9. Credit for time served is 64 days. That concludes today's sentencing. We are adjourned.
I'm sorry. we need to renew, now that he's been sentenced, it
Okay.
now becomes a post-conviction bail motion. I got it. We'd, under Nevada NRS 178.488, we'd renew our motion for bail. Now that sentence has been imposed, we'd renew and adopt all the arguments made pre-sentencing and pre-conviction.
Okay. And you're joining? Both motions are denied. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you very much. We're adjourned.
Thank you.
Have it 16 years with after 5 years the option for possible parole for O.J. Simpson, and you can't help but escape the fact that the Goldmans are in the room, his daughter is in the room, his sister is in the room. All of these people to a certain extent have been down this road before, but the judge made very clear that she